Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Anjali and these are the headlines.
Odisha and Andhra Pradesh on red alert. Very heavy rain for Goa, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat as Cyclone Gulab is likely to start making landfall from today evening. Death anniversary of Tristão Braganza Cunha, known as father of Goan nationalism and organizer of the first movement to end Portuguese rule in Goa.
And now for the news in detail. The Women's Reservations Bill is hanging fire for 25 years now. Even though many governments have come and gone, the bill has not been made into a law. And this despite women being 50% of the electorate.
National Confederation of Human Rights Goa Unit organized the citizens' discussion on 25 years of the Women's Reservation Bill. Pass it now in Margaon. Listen to Devashbi Yudovanshi, a women's right activist and advocate, Swati Kerkar, politician, labor activist, and Siola Vaz, activist and advocate on the issue.
I have underlined the importance of having reservation for women, and it should not only be 33%, it should be 50%, which is in line with the population of women in our country and in the state of Goa as well. So going forward, I feel we have to push really hard for getting this women's reservation bill passed, not only in the parliament but also to have it implemented. Another point that goes with it is that political parties have to have the desire, the will to give representation to women, not only as candidates but also within the party structure. So the more we have women coming out into the public sphere and taking part in the political sphere, we will have a much better outcome for the society at large, because we would have a much more enriched perspective of decision making. Right now, policy making, decision making is very unilateral. It is based on the men's perspective alone. Women's perspective is not taken into consideration. So my point today is that the women's reservation bill is a step in the right direction. It's not a perfect step, but it is certainly a step in the right direction, and we need to put all our energies and efforts behind making this possible for the women of our country and for the bright future of our country.
Women's reservation billaक आता 25 years जाले आसा पार्लिमेंटान आनी पास जालें ना तें आनी जावचे पासून ना until we have more women in the assembly and more women in the parliament as well. आमकां दिसना की जे आतां मेन जे आसा तांकां फेमिनिस्ट व्यू आसा आनी तांकां जाय अशें इक्वॉलिटी आमकां लेडीजांक, आनी इक्वॉलिटी ना जाल्यार आनी कशें आमकां प्रोग्रेस जावपाचें शकना. इफ यू सी इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आमचे प्रिएम्बल आसा थंय बरयल्लें आसा इक्वॉलिटी, इट इज एन इनएलिएनेबल रायट, आनी आर्टिकल 14 आसा जे आमकां इक्वॉलिटी गॅरंटी दिता आमकां इक्वॉलिटीचें. तरी पूण आमचें आतां सिस्टम आसा आख्या गोंयांत, आख्या इंडियेन आनी आख्या इन द एंटायर ग्लोब, दॅट इट इज अ पेट्रियार्कल सिस्टम. जे पेट्रियार्कल सिस्टमान मर्द आसा तांकां आनी रायट मेळटा आनी लेडीजांक कमी रायट मेळटा. आनी हो सिस्टम पेट्रियार्कीचो तो इक्वॉलिटी बेस्ड ना आनी तो मेरिट बेस्ड ना. म्हणजे ऑटोमॅटिकली आपण मर्द आसा म्हूण आपणाक एक्स्ट्रा रायट मेळटा ऑटोमॅटिकली, तांचेर कांय विचार आसना, तांचेर कांय प्रश्न आसना. इट इज नॉन मेरिट बेस्ड. सो आतां म्हणल्यार 25 वर्सां पास जाले, पूण आतां आमकां जाय आनी एक नॉन मेरिट बेस्ड. विमेन हॅव टू बी इन द असेंब्ली फॉर द सिंपल रिजन की ऑल दीस वायल आमी म्हणटाले की जे मर्द आसा ते आमचे इश्यूज घेवपाक शकता. बट नाव वी फायंड रेप्स आर गलोर. रिसंटली महाराष्ट्रान रेप जाले, पूण यू सी दे हॅव नाव मेड अ फिमेल स्क्वॉड, दे हॅव डन थिंग्स. आमचे हिंगा आमी कांयच केलें ना. वाय? बिकॉज मेन डोंट फायंड ओनली दॅट रेप इज देअर इशू, इट इज अ विमेन्स इशू. सो इफ इट इज अ विमेन्स इशू and if you don't care about it, we know people who care about it, and those people are women.
नॅशनल ह्युमन रायट्स कमिशनान आज हांगा मडगांव हांगा ही एक ल्हानशी सभा आयोजीत केल्ली. गेली 25 वर्सां जाली वुमन रिजर्वेशन बिल इज स्टील पेंडींग इन द पार्लमेंट. आज 25 वर्सां जाली तरी बायलांक रिजर्वेशन दिवपाची जे मागणी आसा तेजेर खंयच्याच सरकारान सिरियसली विचार करूंक ना आनी हो कायदो करूं ना. आज ज्यो कितें बायलो आज पार्लमेंटान जावं लेजिस्लेचरान आसा म्हणजे गोंयच्या विधानसभेन आसा ते एक तर आपल्या खंय तरी बॅकग्रावंड तेंचे कोणाचे तरी हजबंड खंय तरी पॉलिटिक्सान आसले म्हणून आसा. थोडे बायलो अश्यो पार्लमेंटान स्वताच्या आपल्या कवतीचेर येयल्ले आसा. आज हांगा हो एक ल्हानसो प्रोग्राम हांगा आयोजीत केल्लो तातूंत गोंयच्या सगळ्या वाठारांतल्यान बायलो आज हांगा मोठ्या प्रमाणान आयिल्ल्यो आनी आज हांगा एक डिसिजन घेतलें. आतां इलेक्शन येता सगळे कडेन आमी पळयता सगळ्या पार्ट्यांनी बायलांचें तितलेंच कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन आसता पूण जेन्ना तिकेट दिवपाची वेळ येता तेन्ना बायलांचो खंयच विचार जायना आनी त्या पार्टीन काम करपी बायलो ज्यो आसा त्यो आपल्या अधिकारा खातीर केन्नाच फुडें येना. मनसर काम करता, आमदारांक निवडून हाडटा, परत जे कितें बायलांचे हक्क आसा तेज्या खातीर मागीर परत रस्त्यार येवन काडटा पूण एसेंब्लीन तेजेर कांयच विचार जायना. हाज्या खातीर आज आमी सगळे हांगा बायलो आज सगळे आमच्या गोंयच्या विविध क्षेत्रांतल्यो बायलो हांगा जमिल्ल्यो आनी तातूंत आतां एक रेजोल्युशन घेतलेलें आसा की आतां हे फुडें व्हरपा खातीर कितें प्रयत्न करप.
Sandeep Tuenkar for Goa 365 from Margao.
Testao de Braganza Kunna was a prominent Indian nationalist and anti-colonial activist from Goa. He is popularly known as the father of Goan nationalism. He was the organizer of the first movement to end Portuguese rule in Goa. Today is his death anniversary.
Cunha was the first civilian to be tried by a military tribunal. He was court-martialed and sentenced to 8 years imprisonment and then deported to Peniche Fortress in Portugal. The Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant paid homage to the late Dr. T.B. Cunha at his memorial at Azad Maidan today. The Police Guard of Honor paid compliments to the memorial and the police band played the last post and the national anthem. Goa 365 Bureau.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Roads are an issue all over the state. Goa 365 has been highlighting the road conditions almost on a daily basis. Now this road is in Madgaon. Listen to our reporter from the spot.
आता मी मडगावच्या फातोर्डा वाठारान आसा. हो जो तुमकां रस्तो फाटल्यान दिश्टी पडटा तो मडगांवच्यान सुगावले वता. जायते लोक सुगावलेचे लोक मडगांव येवपाक ह्या रस्त्याचे वापर करतात. तशेंच हांगा लागींच होलसेल फीश मार्केट आसा. होलसेल फीश मार्केटा मुखारूच ह्या रस्त्याची सारकी चाळण जाल्ली आसा आनी ह्या होलसेल फीश मार्केटान सगळे गोंयचे लोक सकाळ फुडें हांगा नुस्तें व्हरपाक येतात आनी वतात. सदांच हेच डेली चालू आसा. तशें आयज एक आमची नुस्तेकार भयण सकाळी आपल्या चल्या वांगडा नुस्तें विकपाक हांगा एक्टिवाचेर बसून येताली तेन्ना तेजेर कितें जालें ती एक्टिवा फोंडान पडली आनी ती एक्टिवाल्यान सकयल पडून तिका मातसो माग लागलो. तेन्ना आमी वतकीर तेजेर मागता की अशी कितें व्हडली घडणूक घडच्या पयलीं ह्या रस्त्याची बेगींतल्या बेगीन दुरुस्ती करची म्हणून.
अरे ते टी डाबने मने सिंगल रेमगे पुतो हॉन्ड पर सकल मना पर हॉस्पिटल बगीता मोटरसाइकल यांच्यान सकल उडयले मायसे प्लीज रस्तो सारको रे पाय पडा रस्त्या एक लायट ना लोकांक नुस्त्या दोन लोक चोन वता 5 पाड्या कमरा म्हणच्या फोन मारलो मात्या सारको रे जाणट्या गेले आयकाय आत्या बँड मोलट्या कितू पयस पडले हांव काय नको आसून काय कुयदाद करपा ना म्हजो कुयदाद करूं पडलो मात्या प्लीज म्हाका रस्ता सारको रे लायट घालाय.
आनी ह्या फोंडा लागून हिंग ट्रॅफिक जाम जाता सारको. सो मागोता PWD आमगे MLA आहा ते कडेन हेजेर मातशें जात तितू बेगीन हेजेर एक्शन घेवपाक आनी हो रोड आहा तो आमगेलो बेगीन सारको करपाक आनी आमगे पब्लिकाक जे गोंयकार हिंग येता तांकां एक फ्री वचपा रोडा वयल्यान. ह्या रोडा फोंड पडले म्हाका दिसता एटलिस्ट 2 म्हयने जाले. PWD काल पासून हांवें फोन केल्लो मातशें रोडा आमगे चड डीप फोंड पडलो हाय हे मातशें सारको राय म्हूण कित्याक लोक हिंगा हे बाजारां सकाळी चड लोक हे बाजारां येता नुस्तें घेवपाक. सो रोड सारको करपाक एकदम गरज.
गोवा 365 खातीर मडगांवच्यान संदीप तुयेकर.
MV Cordelia Empress, a cruise liner with 1,500 plus passengers, arrived to MPT today. This is the first cruise ship to arrive in this tourism season and the first vessel to come to Goa after the pandemic break. Last cruise vessel had come to Goa in March of last year.
The vessel had around 1,500 passengers, and to look after them and handle the ship, it has a complement of 600 crew members. Around 75 passengers are set to join the cruise from Goa. The cruise liner plans to make 58 trips to the state for the season.
First of all, it's the brightest day for us. Government has put a lot of protocols in place. Port is also following a lot of protocols. So it's a very, a lot of checks in place for tourists who are coming in, and from the ship going out to Goa, all those checks have been maintained. Certification for RT-PCR, everything is checked. And it's good for Goa, more tourists coming, we'll have more revenue generated, and also to give an idea to the people that everything is safe and sound in Goa, with all the checks that have been laid down by Government of India, that is RT-PCR test, double vaccinated. So it's a very bright day for all associated with this kind of trade, that is bus owners, taxi owners, restaurants, shopping, everyone. It's good for Goa, and for us it's fantastic. We have 58 calls of this beautiful vessel calling ports of Goa, and hope to look it's successful, so that we also, everyone around associated with this business are also successful. Thank you so much.
As per information, we got about 1,500 passengers are there, 500 crews.
Okay.
This is the first cruise of the season. As you all aware that after COVID, cruise industry is totally affected. Now we hope so after this one, following the complete protocol, we ensure that cruise service will be streamlined. And now it has come to Goa, again we go back to Goa. The first call is 1,500, it's a very good sign. Hope so it will improve. Got a good chance.
Sir, will there be an exchange of plaque because the vessel is come for the first
Yeah,
time?
this is our normal practice. Every new cruise comes, we exchange a flag. Every year.
How advantageous is this cruise vessel for the Mormugaon port, considering the business part of it?
As you are aware that the cruise business itself is the Government of India's premier project. For that, port has already slashed the rates, and we are developing an international cruise terminal also at 100 crore rupees. As per say, as a cargo ship, cargo port, cruise business may not be very lucrative. Still, as a social responsibility, we are doing it. It is good for the region. It is good for Goa. That's why.
एक आफ्टर पॅन्डेमिक जे आता चालू असते 2020 आम्ही मार्चान लास्ट बोट अटेंड केली. त्याच्या उपरांत कांयच क्रूज सिजनूच नसलो आणि लोकांचे खूप प्रॉब्लेम जालो की हांगा कांयच बिजनसूय नसलो. होप जालो की गोवा इंडियन गव्हर्मेंट आणि सगळ्यांनी जी कितें हेल्प करून ही क्रूज लायन कोस्टल क्रूज लायन सुरू जाली, ही बॉम्बेच्यान सुरू जालें. बॉम्बे तेंच्यांनी 2-3 कॉल्स केल्या, बॉम्बे टू कोचीन मागीर लक्षद्वीप केले, आतां हांगा येयले बॉम्बेच्यान. आणि गोंयान तिचे अबावट 48 कॉल्स आहा कंटिन्युअसली. आणि आतां बरीच एक गजाल म्हणजे 1,591 पॅसेंजर्स आसात आणि क्रू अबावट 600 आसात. क्रूज इज टेकिंग अप, म्हणजे हो नंबर वाडत वतलो. जे मार्केट ट्रेंड वता ते पण दिसता की हें वाडत वयतलें. आणि आतां पळोवया की आजून फुल्ली SOP भितर रिलॅक्सेशन जावंक ना, त्या खातीर सगळे पॅसेंजर देंवतले काय ना ते ना. आणि मोस्टली फर्स्ट कॉल आसा ते मोस्टली प्रमोशनल कॉल आसा, त्या खातीर पॅसेंजर देंवतले जशें काय अजून ना. जे पर्यंत शिपार चडना तो पर्यंत आमकां कांय कळचें ना. शिपार चडल्या उपरांत आमकां सगळें डिटेल कळतलें. आणि दे आर ऑल्सो हॅपी. परत 1 तारखेक हांगाच्यान बोटीचेर व्हडलो इव्हेंट जावपाचो. इट इज लायक व्हडलो म्युजिकल शो जावपाचो. त्याच्या खातीर भरपूर इक्विपमेंट बी सगळे येवपाचे आसा. फर्स्टाच्यान तेंचे फूल गियर अप जातले आणि पॅसेंजरूय वाडपाची शक्यता, आणि तेन्ना पॅसेंजरूय देंवतले. आतां प्रेझेंटली तितले कांय पॅसेंजर देंवपाचे अशें कांय ना. एकूच टूर ऑपरेटर कोण तरी तेंच्यांनी अपॉयंट केला. 50 पॅसेंजर कन्फर्म जाले की ते देंवतले म्हळ्यार भोंवपाक गोवा. आणि अबावट 75 पॅसेंजर हांगा आतां जॉयन जावपाचे आतांच खबर येयले. आणि हेतून एक क्रूज येयल्या त्या खातीर हे सगळे पोर्टानूय बिझनस सुरू जाला. हांगाय कितें गोंयकारांकूय आमकां कितें तरी बिझनस मेळटलो ही आशा धरता. आणि बरें दिसता हें सांगपाक.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Vasco.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. And now for the weather. Odisha and Andhra Pradesh have been put on red alert and very heavy rain has been predicted for Goa, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Gujarat as Cyclone Gulab is likely to start making landfall from the evening of today, IMD has tweeted. With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.gaw365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Gaw365TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Gaw365TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Gaw365.